The Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching, Motivation and Mindset for Leadership, Issue and Session 18. The Necessities of Change. You will forever be employed the moment that you master the ability to persuade others around you that they can trust you. You will be respected when you deliver on your promises and actively seek new paths that solve the problems that lie ahead. Those around you both make and break you. Remain aware of the cause and effect in your environment. Study well, and you will learn to see what others are blind to. This creates as many problems as opportunities. Common goals encourage activity that can impact, but the visions that people have are rarely the same. Well-functioning time has a wise division of labor. Alone you can focus, but you can't get the greater things done because that requires a company of uniquely skilled people who are dedicated to the task at hand. In order for the community to function, all of the vital positions must be defined, refined, and understood without exception. All of the key positions must be filled. This requires that we understand the difference between judgment and decisions. What you think matters less than how you act, although one affects the other. Be true to yourself, and you will make congruent decisions. Be true to others, and the world around you will evolve. Decisions are necessary, while judgment is optional. This is why followers require leaders, and leaders require followers. Success in the world of action and interaction is dictated by our ability to define accurately what is happening and the probable consequences of these actions. Effect matters, and as such, 1. Hungry and motivated individuals live for the achievement and avoid the drama. 2. Perception is influenced by energy much more than it is influenced by reason. 3. Inabilities make business impossible, but through business we can see beyond the inability. 4. The salesperson's job is always to evaluate how somebody feels right now. 5. Heighten your instinct, and the once indistinct becomes demystified. 6. Marketing creates superheroes, while in the meantime life must create solutions. Nobody knows everything, and everybody knows something, and just one thing can make all the difference. One call, one message, one meeting, one encounter, one mail, one visit, one question, one response, one belief. Know what matters to you and to those around you. There is a program inside of you that will naturally stabilize your world when you focus on being centered around your true self and giving back to your community. Stable on the inside leads to able on the outside. That which you have not mastered within yourself is of little or no use to anybody else. Find a formula to help assess your form. Emotions are eternally complex. Anger is a gift that challenges us to be selective about the right moment to react. You are not required to be calm at all times, because the real you should always be in a process of transformation up to and beyond how we see tomorrow. Meditation requires thought, and all thoughts must lead to action eventually. Letting go of everything is all good and well, but then what are you going to hold on to? New skills are necessary, and leadership is built upon the ability to move forward with both kindness and confidence at the forefront. Sensitivity can be a strength that leads us to feel what we need to feel. The focus should be unemotional as much as it is controlled. Definition helps protect our respect and focus. This is motivation and mindset for leadership. If you are interested in online consultations, in leadership building, career coaching, relationship advice, or language skills, please contact the Academy of Language Therapy and Life Coaching. Wherever you are, I wish you a fantastic day.